play. Rather, this is one of the earlier plays.
Makatuno going for that drop right in the middle, and nobody even got to react. Nobody from the defense of UP.
Adamson University looking to take a very temporary lead should they defeat UP this afternoon, as they are currently tied with FEU in the team standings, each having 5 wins and 4 losses.
That's an 8.
Service is there for Makatuno.
This is the problem that Coach Jared had pointed out earlier. Their service reception is they're currently struggling in that department.
Makatuno.
See if they can get a good first ball here. Del Mundo goes to the middle. Zapanta. Del Mundo goes to Araneta. Zapanta able to keep that one alive.
They were able to keep it alive, but that net violation error from Soriano gives UP that point.
17. Ana Del Mundo serving for UP.
Del Mundo also, after being out for
denied by Pala.
a long period of time with some health issues with her liver, has to try to get back in better shape as well. And eventually, she may take the starting job again for the setter position for the Lady Maroons. Makatuno pops it up. Kinlog goes to Soriano.
No blocker there for Soriano.
The easiest point for Adamson
Look at
in the
this.
ball game so far.
Kinlog sets it in the middle, and nobody anticipated it on UP's end.
For the Lady Falcons.
And Pao Soriano really just nonchalant after that one. No celebrations whatsoever from her. Always all business on the volleyball court. This is her 4th season
19 to 12.
for the
Serving
Lady Falcons.
Soriano.
Pao Soriano. Del Mundo
Corner
finding
pocket.
the open
That's
spot there.
13
Take a look
to
at this
19.
one more time. Del Mundo popping it up to Las Marias, who
For you.
finds the seam in the Adamson defense. Zapanta
Zapanta, corner pocket.
coming in there.
Zapanta aiming for that cross-court shot.
Zapanta. Serving. Palad with a
Palad
soft
are able to convert that one into a point from the middle.
Substitution.
We
UP,
have a
7
substitution.
up for Tianzon.
Another rookie
in.
coming in, and Tianzon coming in the
Rudy
ball game
Tianzon
for
to
UP.
serve for the
Palad
Lady
will
Maroons.
take a breather as her team is down by 6, 20 to 14. Pineda.
Good coverage there for Adamson.
Pineda will try again. And that one was on the way out.
Nice shot.
But Del Mundo, with a natural reaction into that volleyball. Let's take a look at it one more time.
It was really on its way out. Del Mundo realized, actually, na talagang the ball was already beyond the sideline.
Del Mundo giving the other players on the UP side more opportunities.
Nice. The block was out.
Trying to vary her sets. But Adamson, just a great offensive display here.
Timeout.
Let's
Lady
listen in
Maroons.
on this
Score.
huddle.
14, UP 22, Adamson.
Spikers natin. Okay, bantayan yung maigi para makakapag-react tayo ng tama. Okay, lalo yung mga mabilis na rally. Siya, kinakagad ko ilan para nakaka-create tayo ng 2 block, lalo na doon sa open, Pau. Okay? Patingin nyo, ilan yung spikers ngayon? Ilan yung spikers ngayon?
Tama ka tatlo.
So, ano yan eh? Kailangan ha? Kailangan, bantay muna tayo. Siguraduhin muna natin yung block.
Well, one thing teams always have to take note of is the number of spikers the opposing team has
Yep.
in the front line.
You always have to know that, especially if you are on the blocking end, because you need to know kung sino ba doon yung babantayan mo. And normally, there would be one or two of those attackers on the opposite end. Sila yung kadalasang binibigyan ng bola, and you should give focus to that.
Coach Jarod Valdez is reminding his
15
ladies
to 22.
about that
Jetta Las Marias to serve for
that
UP.
strategy.
Appeals out. 23 to 15.
Easy points being given by UP to the Lady Falcons.
Lady
Erica
Falcons
Aquino
will try to
serving for Adamson.
put this one away. 23 to 15. This is the opening set. Later on, we have UST and FEU. UP continues to give points away here as Adamson has arrived at set point.
Adamson now at set point advantage. Service.
One of 4 rookies for Adamson University, Alcuino, has been a fixture in the first 6 for Coach Dulce Pante. Pineda can't put it away just yet. Makatuno goes to Pau. 3 ball there for Adamson University just on the second ball of UP.
A double called UP.
With that, Adamson University takes set number 1. This is our exclusive ABS-CBN sports coverage of Season 74 of the Women's Volleyball Tournament, set number 2.